Let me show you what types of garlic I'm going to be planting this year. Now, what type of garlic I choose is really important, especially because of my warmer climate. I grow the soft neck varieties. I don't tend to grow hard neck, even though they do okay here. They don't do as well as they do in some northern climates. So I go with the soft neck varieties. This one over here is a California late white, and I got mine from Peaceful Valley Farm, by the way. I like to get seed garlic, but I also try organic garlic from the grocery store. But I like to get some varieties that I don't get at the grocery store. And this music garlic as well is a variety that I hear grows really, really well in my Northern California climate. I'm also going to try growing elephant garlic this year. So these are these large garlics, and actually they're not even garlic. They are in the allium family, more closely related to leeks, but they've got that mild garlicky flavor that I absolutely love. So I'm going to be growing elephant garlic. It's a perennial, so it can keep coming back year after year. It keeps dividing, keeps growing. So I'm hoping that this is a one-time plant and have forever kind of thing. I always like to grow something that I can just set and forget, and I'm hoping elephant garlic is that way. First, let me show you the elephant garlic. That is big.